Good evening, y'all, and welcome to this special edition of WTF News. That's what in the Florida is going on, y'all. We're bringing you continuing coverage of Hurricane Vidalia. As Hurricane Vidalia threatens open weekend of Gator football, we became pretty concerned. So we sent a couple of correspondents out to the swamp. Now, when I say swamp, I'm not talking about the University of Florida, y'all. I'm talking about the swamp. We need to know what's going on in Dixie. So Carmen, Kylie, y'all, what's going on out there in the swamp?
And Kylie, I see y'all out there. It looks like you've hit that calm before the storm. But we know that there's something on the horizon. Them with strong winds are coming.
Yeah, we've been out here in the swamp scuba diving, and they told us we had to evacuate and get out of here because that Vidalia storm, it's going to hit here, and those winds are going to be torrential.
Wait, I think I see something coming!
Oh my, there's some winds! There's some strong winds coming! Holy cow! Is that a python? What is that?
Well, goodness, that's a lot going on out there. Y'all continue to follow WTF News. That's what the Florida is going on for further coverage and instructions about Hurricane Vidalia.